Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go live on TikTok. So in order to go live on TikTok, you first must meet the eligibility requirements in which you need to be at least 16 years old, have at least 1,000 followers, have the latest version of the TikTok app, and then also have a stable internet connection. So once you fulfill that criteria, what you want to do is actually go ahead and click on this plus button on the bottom hand side, and then scroll over to where it says, and so this is where you're going to be able to actually go live. And as you can see, this is a setup what I had from a previous live stream, but going live on TikTok is rather easy. Now if you want to go live on TikTok to actually promote products through the TikTok Shop Creator Program, what you're going to need is at least 5,000 followers and then also be eligible for the TikTok Shop Creator Program. So this is how you go live. Once you click on the go live button, I'm going to start live streaming to the actual TikTok platform. So I'm actually not going to be doing that right now. But even so, there's a lot of different other settings which I'll go over in a future video. But I hope you found this video helpful. You just simply click on the plus button and then scroll over to where it says live. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns down below in the comments.